Well, this is Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule your Xiaomi phone to turn on or off. So let's say you go to bed at 10 o'clock and you wake up at 7. You can literally time your phone to those wake up or sleeping hours right here. So this is very easy to get to. This is going to be under battery in the settings. So let's go down to the top right. Then go on down to battery. Then we got additional features right here. Then we've got schedule power on or off. So this is a setting that's pretty cool. I'd probably use it to turn off my phone at least, and then turn it back on at certain times. So we can go to this and then set the time. So maybe at like 11 o'clock. And then go to the power off. Actually, I probably want to put this the other way around. Let's go to 7 or 8 right here. And then go to, looks like it's in military time right here. And then maybe go to 22 right there. So my phone will turn off between those times and then turn off on. So go ahead and check this out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.